Exposing the secret to a natural, fresh-faced glow. You need to watch this if you struggle with a heavy makeup look. Let's start with skin prep. Apply a hydrating primer to create a smooth, dewy base, perfect for gripping makeup without feeling greasy. I love primer name for this. Next, use a tinted moisturizer or serum foundation. My pick? Tinted moisturizer serum foundation name. It evens skin tone and feels weightless. Spot conceal only where needed, under eyes, blemishes, redness. Concealer name is lightweight but buildable for a flawless finish. For that fresh, dewy glow, dab on a cream blush. I recommend cream blush name for its blendability. Add a subtle highlighter like highlighter name for a soft, lit-from-within glow. Lightly fill in brows with a tinted or clear brow gel. Brow gel name fluffs them up without making them stiff. Curl lashes and apply clear or brown mascara. Mascara name gives a natural, feathery effect. Finish with a lip tint or nude gloss for a fresh, juicy finish. Lip tint gloss name is non-sticky and moisturizing. And that's it. Your perfect no-makeup look. Lightweight, fresh, and effortless. Let me know in the comments which product you're excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty reviews.